Finally, it's here, Montolit electric suction cup. Gecone is specifically designed for the tiling industry. It comes with an hard plastic case to easily transport and protect the suction cup, 2 batteries with more than 8-hour working time per battery, a patented 3-ring system and a charger. The 3-ring system gives you the possibility to choose the right one, depending on the tile you are working with. Yes, it is universal, not afraid of texture here. If you are a tiler, 90% of the time, this is the ring you want to use. This ring has a patented innovative shape to facilitate the adhesion. 8 lips to keep the pressure, and it is made of soft red rubber that doesn't mark the tile. We also include this rubber square to fit underneath. It allows you to lift also thin tiles. You can use this piece of rubber also with other rings, especially in case of delicate, thin or fragile tiles. If you need to lift very hard and thick tiles, the black rubber is the perfect choice. With this rubber you can lift without any problem up to 100 kilograms, 220 pounds, in vertical. Of course, when you need to lift very textured tiles, you can use the soft foam ring, which is perfectly adhering to almost any texture. How does Gecone work? It's very simple, but at the same time very safe. Let's have a look. We turn the machine on, press start to activate the pump. When reach the green lights, you are good to go, even though the pump is still working. We developed 3 safety features specifically designed to grant top performances, reducing risks. First, when the suction cup loses a little bit of pressure, it automatically starts the pump again to restore the maximum lifting power. Second, what happens when the battery dies? Even though you have the battery indicator here, when the battery dies, the suction cup still holds the pressure for you. In order to remove it, you need to put back a working battery. Third, what happens if when moving a big slab you accidentally press the release button? Absolutely nothing. And this is how it should be. In order to release the suction cup, you need to press and hold the release button for at least 3 seconds. Gecone is also super light, quiet and ergonomic. Of course, the maximum lifting power is much more than a person can lift. In fact, Gecone can hold more than 180 kilos, 400 pounds. Bye guys!